losing my voice today, but the work has to be done. So here I am today showing you what I bought in Nykaa in the month of November. I didn't buy anything in October, something like that. October, yeah, I didn't buy anything in October, but here November comes and sale comes and it just drags me like that. Okay, that's not the point. What I bought, I have 3 parcels. This actually I ordered in starting of the month, and this one is the okay. This one by the 20th or something, and this is an in-store purchase. So I'm going to show you what and all I bought. So starting with first cute one, let's start. The first parcel, here goes. This is the toner which I'm using right now. It's Hydrate Plus Refresh. Actually, I was using this range called Clear Plus from Aqualogica. They had an amazing toner basically. It was like super, but it went out of stock. I though it's my personal favorite. I think it would help acne very much because it contains green tea plus salicylic acid. That's my favorite. But I had to get adjusted to this. Please, Aqualogica. This is Hydrate. This contains coconut water and hyaluronic acid. This is what I use on a regular basis. So I was not a fan of underarm rollers. So I saw a few videos of few other influencers, my fellow influencers. It's okay. I saw a few videos of few fellow influencers, and then did my own research too, and came to I bought 2. That's from Chemist at Play. Odor Control Underarm Roll-On, which contains 5% AHA, Aqua Fragrance, that's what it's called. Yeah, it treats, that's what it tells. So, this is one thing which I bought. This is the one thing which I bought. It comes in this is actually a cute one. As I said, I have become too much a bit fan of want to treat my underarms. So there's one more thing which I came across. That's Dr. Sheets. Yeah, the Dr. Sheets Kesar and Kojic Acid Underarm Roll-On. So I want to try this also. It contains Kesar extract, 2% kojic acid, and also a lactic acid of 1%. So let me see how these get treated. It looks like this. This is a cute one actually. It's glass, but a cute one. Let me see, I'm gonna try. This is the one. Now coming to the big parcel. I just went with random things. At that point of time, what I felt I needed, that's what I bought. So, I wanted to buy, as I said, I wanted to buy underarm roll-ons, and I had put few to the cart, and I removed few from the cart and added to the wish list. So when I was finalizing the order which I bought in the starting of the month with these, I have ordered Dr. Sheets Kesar and Kojic Acid. Yeah, roll-on. This I have ordered. And again, by coming to the end of the month where I had not opened my parcel for this video, I accidentally put one more in the cart and ordered it. That has arrived, and it's in this parcel. This is the huge one actually. So coming with starting, there was this sale on Neutrogena moisturizers. I use them. They're really good water gel. So I have ordered two. This costed me around 750 rupees. Yeah, the box. I ordered two, but this costed me around 750 rupees. But whereas the MRP was 1150 rupees or something. Yeah, I got it for 750. I thought it is a really great deal, so I bought two. And coming, I wanted to try this spray from Maybelline Fit Me. It says it's a mattifying spray. Mattifying setting spray. So I wanted to try this mattifying spray setting spray because always I used to try this dewy one. So I wanted to try this matte look on my face. So let me see for that. To the one. Okay. I wanted to try a bronzer actually. I wanted to try a bronzer, so I don't know whether it will suit my face cut. I always wanted to try a bronzer, so I just ordered a mini bronzer from Sugar to check out how it looks, how I can set it, or how I can do it because yeah, my shade is almost, it treats me like a compact powder. So let me see. I ordered the darkest shade, so I just wanted to experiment few things. So that's how. Coming to this one, yeah, and my body soaps, the soaps which I use were like almost ending the stock, and they had an offer on this. This usual price is somewhere around 325. 345. I got it for 275. Yeah, this is the one which I use. I mean, if you had watched my previous videos, you know how I go gaga for this. Yeah, that's not the one. I have ordered still more. Yeah, I ordered two of them because this comes almost around a month for me. So I ordered two of these and one exfoliating soap from the same Body Shop British Rose. Yeah, this is also almost, I got it for the same price. As I said, I did one a foolish thing. Yeah, this is one here. Yeah. I have two of these now. I don't know what to do, but yeah. Let me see. I got these Libre Saint Laurent. Yeah, Saint Laurent's perfume. I don't know how many of them I have these. These are the miniature ones. I have a lot of them. I keep on ordering from Nykaa and Nykaa keeps on sending me the samples. Every time I end up getting that. Almost every time. Yeah, and here comes the Blunt hair protection spray. I use this. I don't know from how many years I'm using this. This is the best out there. So yeah. This is the one I got for free, and it is a rain bath refreshing shower and bath gel. Are you kidding me, Nykaa? This is a lot. I am not a shower gel person, so yeah, this one. That's a huge quantity actually for. But okay, yeah, it's almost like for 73 ml. That's it for this package. This package is done. And coming to my favorite one, the one which I bought in store. I was too excited for this. Yeah, I was like super excited because Charlotte Tilbury had almost like 25% off, and I wanted to get hands on one of their lipstick. in the Pillow Talk range from a long time, but I didn't want to pay 3.5 for it, so yeah, somewhere around 3.5 for it. So I got them. I got one. I went to the store and I bought one. It's for the same price. Yeah, it's like, yeah, 3,450, but I got it for 2,553 or something. It's in the shade Lovely Liberty. Oh my god, I can't wait to open them. I know I have this shade so many times, but Charlotte Tilbury, you're my favorite. I've seen many others which great packaging. You gotta do it a little better one. They have this heavy packaging outside. Yeah, you will not surprised. This is the one which I can't wait. I always wanted to buy these. This is like really one. So a DU sunscreen. I tried once and I was like loved it, like really loved it, and it wasn't off. I got it for this price is around 2,200, but I got it for 1,900 something. I felt it was okay. The color combinations are so cute. Only 50 ml, but oh my god, it doesn't have a fragrance, but something you gotta give it to me. It has no white cast, like seriously no white cast. Super. I just love it. Yeah. And that's it guys for the video. That's the last thing. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you do like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video.